35 minus as is atong 25. So you get still 10. Okay? So just observe. Okay, you can get it while observing. Then, find the difference between the smaller perfect square number and the given number. Given number is 30 minus the smaller number is 25. That's 5. Then, number 4. So, ako nang divide into D and E. Letter D. You divide sa letter C by letter B. Okay. 5 divided by 10. Mao ni siya. 5 over 10 equals 0.5. So you add this to the square root of the smaller perfect square number. So atong smaller perfect square number is 25. So, square root of 25 is 5. Plus nimo si 5 sa 0.5 nga no nakuha diri. So our estimate is 5.5. Okay. So, studyuhin ninyo. Match with the steps. Okay. So when you answer the activity I have given to you, I want you to present this A, B, C, D, and E. It will be 1 point each. Okay? So, naiuban, mostly, maskin sa previous nga mga activities, mag-solve mo, answer na lang, final lang isuwat. When I say show your solution, you better show your solution. Or else, you can have fewer points than others who have followed the instruction. Okay? Another example. Square root of 85. So, first, determine the pair of perfect square number. The number falls in between. So, we have 81 and 100. Next, count the numbers. That's 100 minus 82 or 99 minus 81. So, that is 18. Letter C. You can write only 1 on letter B, ha? Okay. Letter C, 85 minus 81. So, given minus the smaller, so muna siya. 4. Then D, 4 divided by 18. So you can use calculator by this. And letter D, square root of 81. That's 9. 9 plus 0.2, so our estimate is 9.2. Okay. Next, another example, last one. Example, square root of 7. So 7 is in between 4 and 9. Then, say 7, in between, number of integers in between these perfect squares. 9 minus 5, that's equal to 4. Or 8 minus 4 equals to 4 gihapon. So, we have C, 7, given, minus 4, that's 3. So, 3 divided by 4 is 0.75. So, letter E, square root of 4 is 2. 2 plus, ato nang gi-round off si 7 as 8 because the next niya is 5. So, 0.8. So, that is 2.8. Since our lesson is all about rounding off to the nearest tenth. Okay? Nearest tenth. So, mao na siya nga usara ka decimal place ang atong gamit. Okay? So, I hope na kuha ninyo ang pag-estimate sa square root. So, again, you have the liberty and freedom to go over the video, how it is written, how it is shown. So, pwede nyo balik-balikon hantod masabtan ninyo. In case nga, maglisod yun, you can ask me through sa ato nga GC. Okay? So, square roots. Square roots are, naapo na siya application to real numbers. Real life situations. So, ang application with square roots are more on the cases of right triangle. Although a lot of field applies square root, but mostly sa mathematics, ato i-focus diha as a right triangle. One of these nga mga applications sa square root is sa right triangle, the use of right triangle to find the specific parts of it as it is provided in the Pythagorean theorem. I'm sorry, that's wrong. Kulang na siya letter A. That's Pythagorean theorem. Okay, na sa inyo nga book. Okay. So, at the right triangle, it's like this. So, one of the angles of right triangle is 90 degrees. So, as you can see here, kana siya. Dayon, ang atbang ana or the opposite nga side sa 90 degrees nga angle is what we call as the longest side of the right triangle. Kana siya, longest side. Gitawag nato na siya og hypotenuse or being represented as C. So, kani siya, if na ang mao na gitawon tog legs, si A o si B. Other book uses, kani siya is adjacent nga side, and this is the base. Okay, so that's A and B. Okay, or altitude. Pwede sad. So, sa Pythagorean theorem, so we have, ang gigamit is C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So, how is it nga gigamit siya as square root or naka-apply tang square root ani? So, in using the square root, so ingon ani nang iyang itsura. When you find for C, it is square root of A squared plus B squared. When you find for A, that is C squared or square root of C squared minus B squared. And when you find for B, that is square root of C squared minus A squared. So, that is our formula. Now, let's take for the following mga problems as examples. Okay? First, nani sa inyong book, so I get it para nga ma-explain sa inyo, ha? Okay. Television sets are generally measured diagonally, thus classifying them as 14 inches, 27 inches, 32 inches, and so forth. Suppose we want to purchase an entertainment center, but it only holds enough room in its cubicle for a 20-inch TV set. We initially know that the length of the TV is 13 inches and the height of our TV is 9 inches. Will our TV be able to fit into the cubicle? So this is our TV. So, ang TV ko, no, generally measured, gina-measure na siya through the diagonal. So, kaning line, akong gidraw, no, tunga. Kung siya diagonal. So, mo na basihanan kung unsa siya nga inch sa TV. So, atong markahan, so, si TV na to, ang atong palito na siya length. Sa ubos, 13 inches, o na siya height, gitason sa babaw, tason niya sa babaw din hiya, 9 inches. So, since ang ato ang cubicle makaigo man sa 20-inch TV, so we need this part, our diagonal. So, our C is missing. So, we'll use the formula of the Pythagorean theorem. So, mauni siya. Since we're looking for C, so C is equal to square root of A squared plus B squared. C equals to 9, our A, 9 inches, so 9 squared, plus 13 inches, 13 squared. C equals to 81 from 9 squared. That is 9 times 9, 81. And 13 squared, which is 169. So, gikan sa 13 times 13. 81 plus 169 equals 250. So, square root of 250 is equal to 15.8 inches. So, kay mo man ay ato ang unit. Now, the question was, will our TV be able to fit into the cubicle? The answer will be yes. Our TV will be able to fit to the media center since it will fit up to 20 inches. And the TV we are going to buy will be only 15.8 inches. Okay. Another one. A 35-foot ladder is leaning against the side of a building and is positioned such that the base of the ladder is 21 feet from the base of the building. How far above the ground is the point where the ladder touches the building? So, suppose this is the ladder. Leaning, meaning nakasandig sa building. So, ang ladder ko no is 21 feet. I'm sorry. Our ladder is not 21 but 35. Nasayo pa ko animation class. 35 feet. Dera. Si ladder, 35 feet. Ang base sa ladder, meaning karing iyahang tiilan, is 21 feet from the base of the building. So, from here to here, that's 21. So, ang atong A, ingon pa nga, how far above the ground? Unsa katason gikan sa yuta, paingon nga to sa katapusan nga point nga ang ladder na touch sa building. So, we're looking for our A. So, since A itong ipangita, so mo ni siya nga itong solution. A is equal to square root of C squared minus B squared. A is equal to 35 squared minus 21 squared. A is equal to 1225 minus 441. So A is equal to 784. So square root of 784 is 28 feet. Therefore, from the point where the ladder touches to the ground, it is 28 feet. I'm sorry, wrong ang ako ang grammar sa it's. That is, walay apostrophe. Okay, so it's 28 feet. So, I hope nga nasabtan ninyo ang sa square root. So again, pag dili masabtan, you can go over the video again and again. Then you can ask me through GC or PM, kamo ang bahala. Okay, no problem. So, we'll stop up to this point sa ato nga lesson. Then natay last ng video about plotting the real numbers in the number line.